In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these tiny squishy cats. These are entirely no-sew and they can be done in several different types of patterns, such as just a solid color cat, a half and half, sock cat, calico, Siamese, spots, and several other ways. The follow-along tutorial will be showing you how to make a solid color cat, though I will be putting a photo of all the different color changes on the screen, so if you would like to mod it to make it different with different patterns and stuff, feel free to. For the materials, of course, we're going to need a lot of yarn. This depends on which color you would like to make your cat in. For the tutorial, just to make it easier to see the stitches, I am just going to go with white. You will also need your crochet hook. Since I'm using a weight 4 yarn, I'm going to be using a 3.5mm. If you're using a bulky weight yarn, like a size 6, I would recommend using a size 5 hook. You'll also need a needle and threader, or just a big needle to weave in your end after. We'll also need scissors, of course, just to cut the yarn. And I'm going to be using fabric paint to make the face on my cat, though you can also use felt, fabric marker, or any other material you'd like. And lastly, of course, we're going to need just a tiny bit of polyfill just to make our cat a little bit squishy. So let's get started. We're first going to start by doing 6 single crochets in the magic circle. Now we're going to do 2 increases. We're going to chain 2, do 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and that just creates a little ear for us. Now we're going to do 2 more increases like normal. We're going to do another ear, so chain 2, 1 single crochet in the first stitch, and then 2 more increases. So now you should have 12 single crochets in your magic circle. The ears do not count as a stitch, and we're going to be working around them throughout the pattern. Starting round 3, we're going to do the following sequence, which is increase, 1 single crochet, and we're going to repeat that 6 times around to have 18 stitches at the end. When you get to the ear, make sure you leave it on the outside of the plushie. The easiest way to do that is to fold it inwards and then just skip it and go to the next stitch. Just like this. So it's going to be on the outside. Now for rounds 4 and 5, we're just going to do 1 single crochet around for a total of 18 stitches. This is what your cat should be looking like so far. Now moving on to row 6, we're going to do 1 single crochet, chain 6, and starting in the second chain from your hook, we're going to do 5 slip stitches. This is our little tail. Now we're going to do 2 single crochet like normal. We're going to do 1 bobble stitch. Two more single crochet, bobble stitch, five single crochet, bobble stitch, two single crochet, bobble stitch, and 2 more single crochet to end this round. For row 7, we're going to do 1 decrease, then 1 single crochet 6 times for a total of 12 stitches. So to decrease around the tail, you're just going to go into the next stitch, pull your yarn through, make sure you're leaving the tail on the outside, go around into the next stitch, and just pull through your loops. That's a decrease, 1 single crochet, decrease, single crochet, all the way around. Now we're just going to lightly stuff the body. And for our final round, row 8, we're just going to do 6 decreases. You should have a total of 6 stitches left. We're going to fasten off by slip stitching into the next stitch. Then just cut your yarn and pull through. Now we're just going to sew the hole closed. Now the last step is to add the face. I'm going to be using fabric paint. I like to paint the majority of the face, so the nose and eyes on row 4. And there you have it. That is our finished squishy cat. Let me know what you think of the pattern in the comments below, and if you have any questions, be sure to reach out. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!